The world has changed. All the things we used to do one way, we now have to do another. But that's not necessarily a bad thing, especially when you consider all the hours, days, weeks, even months people used to spend going dealership to dealership kicking tires. Seems crazy now, especially if you're shopping with a Sunset Auto family member. Now, unless you absolutely need a vehicle today, and who really needs a vehicle today? Come on, really? Sunset will make this the best car shopping experience you've ever had. Whether you special order a brand new vehicle just the way you've always wanted it, or you find that perfect one in Sunset's incoming allocation, this really is the way to go. And no one can get you a brand new Chevrolet, Ford, Kia, or Mitsubishi quicker or for less than the Sunset Auto family, guaranteed. And every single qualifying brand new vehicle includes warranty protection for life and oil changes for life. And those alone will save you thousands down the road, a Sunset exclusive. So now more than ever, you just get more from Sunset. And people do like that.